Malakihang alon ng Sorsogon Bay ang sumalubong kay Teacher Medi. Ang kanyang pakay makatawid sa kabilang bahagi ng isla. Galing siya sa Isla Sablayan kung saan siya nagtuturo.
Yung alon, hindi mo naman alam kung kailan aatake. Pag alis mo dito sa gilid, banayan. Pero pagdating doon sa gitna, hindi mo alam kung uulan ba or aatake yung malakas na hangin.
Hanggang ang sinasakyan niyang bangka, kumewang-gewang.
Abot ang tanguran, karayo.
Ang kalbaryo, nadagdagan pa nung bumuhos ang malakas na ulan. Kaya si Teacher Medi parang naging basang sisiw. Pero walang alon at bagyo ang makapipigil sa kanya.
Yung motivation ko na lang para pagpunta doon is yung mga bata. Maganda yung pakiramdam na nakikita mo silang masaya.
Ang reading booklet na ito ay inihahandog sa mga batang Oragon ng Bicol at sa mga matatapang at matatyaga nating mga guro.
What I like about the Teachers Many don't give up on being a teacher. Teachers Many inspiration to other teachers and how she carries herself in the same God. I recommend to read more stories about the life of Teacher Medi.
What did they love the most, and what moments left them thinking long? After they finished, stick around to find out as they spill their insights and reveal their personal recommendations.
As a future teacher, you should have a connection to the reader and captivate the reader's attention. Also, being a teacher is not only being inside a classroom but also in real life. You should be an inspiration to others for them to motivate themselves. Learning is not limited to the paper works but also the experiences you share with them.